Hello everyone, I'm UMAIMAH number 28. Here I will show you something that is very important to engineering people. Even my teacher said that this is like a weapon for them. You want to know? Yeah, this is multimeter. Why is it very important? Because with a multimeter we can measure voltage, current, resistance, and we can check whether the cable is connected correctly or not. The multimeter has two types. The multimeter have two types: multimeter analog multimeter, and digital multimeter. This is analog multimeter and this is digital multimeter. An analog multimeter and digital multimeter are analog multimeter and digital multimeter are almost the same. In analog multimeter, the results are shown by the needle in here. This is the needle. And digital multimeter, the results are immediately shown on the screen. Analog multimeter and digital multimeter all have the same part. This is selector, and this is the selector. This is for AC voltage, and this is for AC voltage. This is for DC voltage, and this is for AC voltage, and this is for DC current, and this is for DC current in digital GCA, and this one is for resistance. This is the symbol of resistance, ohm, and this is for resistance in digital. Analog multimeter has zero adjustment. This is for calibration, and when you calibration the multimeter, the needle must be at zero here. If you want to check the resistance, you have to move the selector to resistance. The selector have 1, 10, 100, 1 kilo. This is 10 kilo. I want to use a kilo ohm. You have to connect the black probe and red probe like this. You don't touch the probe iron when calibration, and the needle must be at zero. You rotate the zero adjustment until the needle at zero, like this, and then you can check the resistance. If the needle not at 0, you can use the MUltimeter to check the resistance. But in digital MUltimeter or digital multimeter, you don't need to calibration. You just move the selector in resistance selector like this. You can choose the range 200 ohm, 2000 ohm, or to 20,000 ohm and others. And you just take the probe to your component, and you can see the result here. And this is for me. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.